Welcome back. Our Uncle Pythagoras is residing. We are continuing with our theorems. Now we are going to do theorem number 8. Theorem number 8 says that if two tangents are drawn from the same point outside the second, then they are equal in length. These are two tangents, one tangent, two tangents, they are drawn from the same point. That means we must prove that AB is equal to AC. Then we are given that the second with two tangents A, B, and C with center O. We are required to prove that AB is equal to AC. Now we come to do the proof here. Proof. When we prove, you remember, we start with the statement and we must give the reason. Now, before we can do everything, we must tell the marker that we are constructing. Construction join OB, OC, and OA. Now let's join them. This is OB, this is OC, and this is OA. Right, this one will be B1, this one will be C1, this one will be A1, A2. Right. And if you can check here, we have constructed OB, OC, and OA. Now, we tell the marker that you must consider triangle OBA and triangle OCA. You see, consider this triangle and this triangle. Now we start point 1. We have OB equals to OC. What is the reason for that? The line from the center to the circumference is a radius. They are both radii. One radius, more radii. Now we have OB and OA as equals. We come and say B1 is equals to C1. You can tell me what is the reason for that? Remember in the previous theorem we said that the radius which comes and meets a line, that line is a tangent. They form a 90 degrees. Theorem number 7. So OC, which is C1, is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because of the radius perpendicular to the tangent. We have proved that in the previous theorem. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now we come and say OA is equals to OA. We have OA in triangle BOA and we have OA in triangle OCA. The reason for that is common. Now this is the third statement. The first statement, the second statement, this is the third statement. When you get here, you know that therefore triangle OBA now we arrange it according to our proof is congruent to triangle OCA. Why is that? The reason for this is because you've done this in grade 8 and 9, right angle, hypotenuse, side. This is right angle. You see, this is right angle. The opposite side of this right angle is hypotenuse and side. Therefore, we can conclude by saying AB is equals to AC. Who can tell me what is the reason for this? This is the third side. Automatically, the third side are equal. We are done. Go and practice this grade 12 and 11. You must know that how do you come about to prove that the two tangents drawn from the same point are equal. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video, and the next video is going to conclude our theorems, because the next video is going to talk about theorem number 9. From there, we are going to apply all these theorems from theorem 1 to theorem 9 so that we can be able to maneuver and pass our grade. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras signing out.